guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I thought it would be a fun little experiment and idea to come out with my mum and Elle, and I wanted to get Ella to basically go into a shop and pick an entire outfit for me just to see how her mind works, because honestly it's actually so fascinating the things that she likes and how she would probably pick something together. So I'm going to take her into Primark, let her kind of like go around, pick different bits and pieces, we'll put them in a basket, and then I'll get her to pick her favourite items and I'm going to try them all on and see what I look like. What do you think about that, Elle? What do you think?
That's good.
Is it going to be funny?
Yeah.
Are you going to make me look nice?
Yeah.
Or silly?
Nice.
Good. Definitely nice?
Yeah, but not silly.
Not silly? Can you be trusted?
Mhm.
Can you be trusted? I don't know so much.
What does Nana say?
You cannot be trusted.
I'll try to be trusted, Mummy.
Right, okay. Right, let's go and you can have a look around. Do we need to get shoes? A dress or a top, trousers, and you can try it all, and you can even get a bag and everything, and then Mummy will go into the changing room and try it all on and see what it is, right? What do you think?
Can Nana get a basket too and help me?
Yeah, you can enlist Nana's help, because Nana can help you pick the sizes, right? Right,
Why
team?
do you do that wee noises? I like your wee sparkly.
Right, Ella, I think we should go. Ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you set? Go!
That's not that.
That looks quite small.
I would need a large, definitely a large. Ella, do you like those then? Right, will I get them in my size?
Yeah.
Right, so these pink jeans, okay.
That's matches.
Oh, where's the thing? Where's the bag?
Okay.
Alright, let's put it in the bag then, shall we? Yeah?
Yeah, but let's take the hanger.
Oh no, you need to keep it in the hanger because Mummy's got to try it on. Now, I think that looks really nice. Do you think Mummy needs a top to go with these jeans?
Yeah.
Which top?
That top.
Oh, that's very pink. I like that outfit. What one do you think would go best?
This one.
Oh, you like that one, do you?
And this one.
Okay, right, let me see then.
That's a rainbow top.
This one.
Oh,
Wow, that's beautiful, Elle.
Don't take it off the coat.
Keep it on the hanger. What about that top as well? Or do you prefer the rainbow top?
I prefer that top.
Right, okay, that one's too small, so let me see.
But it feels very nice.
It does feel very nice. Yeah. Right, okay, let's hold on to that one then, put it in the basket. Right, I want you to go and have a look all around here and see what you like. Go and see what you think suits Mummy. The cropped top.
What did the pepper say?
Do you think that'll suit me?
Nope.
Nope. Right, okay. This one? You think that would suit me? Really?
Yeah.
What should I wear it with though? There's no trousers to go with it. What trousers?
I think you should look for dresses.
Put in the basket, Nana.
That one.
Oh, I just choose that.
I know I just got the right size though. Mummy's the yellow sticker for the size. Right, what kind of other outfit? Oh.
I wonder, but that's big trousers.
Is it? Right, okay, am I not big?
No.
Right, let's see what else then.
You're like my Nana.
Am I? That's a compliment.
So are they?
Hey?
This skirt to go with the purple top.
Does that one go with the purple top? Right, okay, let's see the size. Right, Nana, that's the skirt to go with the purple jumper.
But it has a yellow sticker.
Right, okay, perfect.
These ones.
Those ones, okay.
Do you like these ones?
Yeah, of course. So what size is that? I'm a 5, so let's see if there's a 5 to try on.
Got it to be purple. Look, size 5 purple.
Excellent. How about some accessories? There's lots and lots of bags. And there's lots up here. And they're over there. And look, there's wee heart ones and stuff.
What one?
There's ones like that, and then there's leopard
I
ones.
think I'm gonna get the in this love heart the best.
Okay. Excellent. Right, go and put it in the basket.
Actually, I'm gonna put it on.
Would you like it for you, do you?
No, for you.
Right, okay, come on then. Which one?
Ella, say
This one.
Oh, beautiful,
That's
Nana. There we
gorgeous, I like
go.
that one. See if you pick something, then you see something else, you think, no, I prefer that, you can change it.
Yeah, you can change your mind. Right, come in, let's go over this way.
I don't want to change my mind because I love that.
What about nice brolly?
Yeah.
Because we always get a lot of rain.
Come and select a hat for me, because there's lots of hats in here. Pick one that you think would go lovely with those outfits that you've picked.
This,
Oh la la!
Beautiful, right? Put it in the basket then.
this matches that.
Ta-da! What do they go with?
Need a purple sticker.
Let's see, size
I don't think
5.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what a pity. 7.
6, you can maybe squeeze into a 6.
Yeah, there's a. I get the 6 then. I'll try them on.
Those ones?
Gorgeous, right? Let's go and
These
try
ones
this
you
on.
But you have big feet.
That's fine. They'll fit. Right, so we've got all the stuff in here. Ella, I have to say to you, darling, this is really good accessorising because the red bag goes with the red beret, and then this scarf goes with this wee bag. So you think you've done this before? Are you good at this?
Yeah.
Right, so see these jeans? I've had to wear it with this top, have I?
Yeah.
Right, okay.
And with this, you have to wear those leggings with that.
Right, okay, that's fine. So that jumper goes with that wee leggings,
And the rainbow top goes with
the
that.
pink trousers, okay. And then see the rainbow drop and the pink trousers, is it, what hat have I to wear with it? Have I to wear the red hat and the red bag?
Yeah.
And then what have I to wear this scarf with? The other outfit?
You have to wear those with that.
Right, okay, I'm going to start trying stuff on and you can keep me right, okay?
Okay.
Good deal.
Maybe you don't remember I'll choose which trousers or which top I'll choose you to wear.
What, in case I forget?
Yeah.
Right, okay, that's fine. Let's get sorted then. An injury. I've literally snapped a nail off trying to get these jeans on. But this is my outfit. Do you know what, Ella? See, to be honest, it's actually not that bad. I can see where your thought process was. Was it just pink and girly? Is that what you wanted to look at? Hey? Do you want to have a wee...
No,
Let me do... What do you think?
It's actually,
It's not that bad, is it?
no, it's surprisingly like,
It's probably passable.
and you're coordinating.
I'm coordinating with you, Ella.
I actually love the shoes.
Why are the shoes so nice even though they're like tacky balleraki?
I'll wear that, look at that all.
What do you think? Would you give this out of 10? If 10's the best and 1's the worst, what do you think? 10 or what was the number?
10.
A 10? You think so?
I'm actually really
A
surprised.
1.
A 1?
Yeah.
Do you not think I should get it?
Yeah.
Look at the jeans, do you think I could wear them?
No.
Definitely not. Let's try the next one. Right, my overall synopsis of this is the shoes are not that bad. I mean, my mum even said this, like on holiday they would actually be fine. They're not the worst.
Let me get those off.
And then, the jeans are okay but they just don't fit. The wee bag's cute for £3, really.
Colours are amazing.
The colours are actually, it's considering we're matching in every single rainbow colour, it actually goes okay, doesn't it?
Mummy. Mummy.
Yeah.
Take this off.
Do the next one. Outfit number 2, let's go. Now, first of all, I look like a crazy foreign exchange student who's ready to have a party. Do you like it? Do you think it looks good?
Oh la la.
Oh la la. Right, so what was your thought behind this? What do you think about this outfit?
Halloween.
Probably. What do you think about this outfit? I need to know what made you pick it. What made you pick this?
My little stuff in with my little pictures match your skirt. So that's why I tell you to have that so we can be 20s.
Oh, because you've got a leopard print pair of trousers, you've got leopard print leggings and the leopard print dress. Oh, did you want to be twinsies with me? That's really nice. And then what did you think about this jumper with it?
That don't match.
It doesn't match.
No.
Why does it not? Why are you making me wear it then?
Because I just like this, so that's why I put it with that.
Oh really? And what about the hat with the red? What do you think with the red in it?
I like the red in it
Why?
because I just like it.
But it must have a reason, then. What do you think I look like?
You look like when Anna was a baby.
Oh, like your nana?
Yeah.
Nana, I look like you.
There's a photograph, and I do have a berry one.
Oh, do you? So I do look like you?
It's a wine-coloured berry. There's a photograph of she's...
Maybe we should do a side by side. Did Nana have one of these when she was little?
Yeah.
Berry is actually not the worst. It's really not the worst.
I've seen the one.
Because
Seen worse. What I especially love is the little tag. It's just like following me around when I walk. That's my favourite part. Let's do our catwalk.
Do the tune for Soccer AM for the Soccerettes.
I did 1, 2, 3.
oh yeah.
Again?
Oh, someone put that on
Hello?
the floor.
Coming?
No, look! In here! I'm gonna put your stuff on.
No! I have an idea. I'll dress you up like me when we go home in my clothes, right?
Yeah.
Right, so we're out from our little dressing experience, but I remember I got like pearl ones of these, just purely pearls, no like crystal ones, for my wedding dress last year, and everyone kept asking where they were from, but they're obviously from here. And there's a pack of 2 for a £5, which is a really good deal. Look at all these wee LED lights though. They're nice.
Let's go. Let's go, Mom. Let's go.
Feather.
I looked at it.
That's nice.
Come on. Come on.
£2.50. Do you know I was looking for something like that for putting like pictures on? You just about to show me that?
That was a hide in there.
How nice would it be to put like wee pictures of the kids and put that on there?
Really smash them and so say no.
I never nearly smashed it, you're at it. How gorgeous are all these baby dresses? This makes me so pretty. Look at these. That's like Mamas and Papas, isn't it? Oh, that's gorgeous. In fact, Ella had one like that from Nick's, do you remember it? They're gorgeous. Wee tiny shorts, I'm sorry. That is so cute. Morning guys, excuse the bedhead, but I realised that yesterday's video might have cut off pretty abruptly. So what I wanted to do was show you all the things I did pick up in Primark eventually after we did the challenge. There are a few things in here like this lip liner that I always go on about and say that I love. So let's start with that. This lip liner was how much? £1, and I've got it in the shade Nudes in the Buff. And it's really nice. Sometimes I just use this to line my lips and then I buff it in so that I don't need to wear lipstick that day, and it lasts for ages. So for £1 it kind of trumps my MAC Spice lip liner, which is probably about £12 or £14. Lauren, if you're watching this, which I know you will be, then surprise. But my sister-in-law is due a baby in a few weeks now really, and I thought that I could get her this. Could not resist it. It kind of looks like a sort of tweed dress, but it looks like something you get in Zara, I think, and it was £6. So I got that in a 0 to 3 months, and then of course got a matching one for my other niece Nora, who is only 1, who will be big sister this time, so I had to get her one to match in the 12 to 18 months, sorry, in the 18 to 24 months, because it does look quite small size wise. So yeah, I think that's really nice with little bows on it, and for £6 each you really cannot go wrong. I'm only jealous that I couldn't get it in Ella's size, to be honest, because it's lovely. I also got this little beanie hat, which is like a really pale pink, basically the same colour as those dresses, but it looks quite pale against this backdrop. But that was down to £1, and I actually really like the deep cuff on it. I've not got any beanies and I know they're quite popular just now, so I feel like I'm kind of just being a sheep, but they do look really cool and it is practical because it's cold outside. I also did pick up 2 pairs of jeans for Charlie because he really needed a few updates in his wardrobe. So these ones are always great. I've had loads of different colours, and they basically had a whole shelf just full of these in different shades. So I got him the grey pair, and also just like a classic like washed out blue, and obviously 2 to 3 years. And these are so cheap, they're £6 each, so I really could have got a few more. But yeah, they're really skinny as well, but they're still stretchy and comfy. But essential, I got myself some tea light candles for burning my wax melts, and these are the Madly Gaskin vanilla ones, and they're only £1. I also got this dual pack of Carmex because my lips have been really dry recently, and I used to use Carmex all the time, but this is like a kind of double pack, so you get the little pot for like keeping your handbag or whatever, and then you get the tube version, but this was £3.50, which I think is good for getting both of them. And then, oh my god, see, trying to get things that would match together, I don't even think these are the proper sets. I got her cami vests and then like proper boy shorts. I just think these have got like more coverage if they're wearing dresses with tights, or sorry, dresses with knee-high socks. So yeah, vest and pants, these were winning combo, and they were £3 for the vest and £4 for the shorts. After a recent fake tan disaster, I thought I should get a fake tan mitt. This one was £2. It's not the one that I normally pick up. Honestly, the other day my hands were so bronzed, it was no joke. So yeah, I thought I would get a new applicator and wear a pair of like latex gloves underneath it while I'm applying my fake tan. Lastly, I couldn't resist this jumper. It's got huge, big, like kind of frilly sleeves, and it is in an age like 6 to 7, I think. But Ella always seems to get away with these jumpers because I wear them really oversized in her with leggings, so they kind of look like dresses, but it's just the softest material. It was £9, and that colour of grey is just lovely, so I got that as well. I also picked up this lovely fruit bowl. We've been wanting one for ages, but can't seem to find something that's like practical, not too expensive and not massive. But this one just kind of ticked all the boxes. It's like a white wire bowl. They've got loads of stuff like this in Primark just now actually. Just like homeware wise, it's all wire. But it actually kind of looks like a flower in the middle, which is nice, but it's only £5. And I thought it'd be nice sitting on top of here just for putting in obviously all our fruit and stuff. And then this here I got for putting in my office. You basically just print out little pictures or Polaroids and clip it onto it. I just thought it was really nice, that sort of wire frame. I've always seen things like this in Pinterest or like on Instagram and admired them, so when I seen that for £9 I thought it'd be really nice, and the fact it's the kind of like the right colour of gold for my office space, I thought it would look really good. And it's on this sort of white board, which I actually thought was marble, but turns out it's not, but it's really nice still. So I'll get a few pictures of the kids and stuff and stick it on there, and I think that'll look really nice. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching our little fun vlog and Ella trying to style me. If you've got anything you think would be a good idea, then leave it in the comments below, and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.